Indexes in the US are mixed this morning, although mostly higher with yields lower. As I speak to you right now, the Dow is down about a third of a percent, but the S&P and the Russell both up about 0.5%. The Russell's actually closer to 0.6, and the Nasdaq is up over 1% with yields lower across the board. The 30-year is down 1. That's the yield, not the price. 10-year yield down 2 at 403. 5-year down 3 at 399, and the 2-year is down 3 at 438. That's likely helping to boost stocks. They've gotten a little bit stronger as the morning went on. Crude oil is lower by over 4%, hitting that $70 a barrel on WTI price again, despite the Red Sea turmoil that we've seen. There are reports out there that the U.S. shot down a Houthi drones and that the Houthis are promising response to that somewhere in the Red Sea. So we'll have to see. That still doesn't seem to be affecting crude oil prices overall and the supply of crude oil. China's stimulus is expected to ramp up, and this could affect the price of copper. Right now, copper is up about 0.4%, but there's a lot of news stories out there about China ramping up stimulus. So watch hard commodity prices. It could actually affect the softs as well, things like soybean and others. Now, looking ahead, Atlanta Fed Governor Raphael Bostic is speaking today. Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr is speaking tomorrow. In terms of earnings, which ramp up pretty rapidly later in the week, today we have Jefferies Financial Group, which is the only stock reporting with a market cap of over $1 billion. Tomorrow, before the open, we have 7 companies reporting with market caps over $1 billion US. And that includes PepsiCo and Albertson. So keep an eye on those consumer staples there. Data tonight, Japan's household spending data and the BRC retail sales monitor year over year in the UK. Tomorrow, we have the unemployment rate in the EU, import and export figures in the US, and the Real Clear Markets Economic Optimism Index for January also in the US.